Alrighty then, styrofoam done for the curbside wall, pretty much. I need to do a little cleanup, and of course I've got to sand everything. I love sanding, but that actually went pretty quick. It wasn't too bad cutting around all the supports, door supports and the conduit and stuff. That actually went pretty good. So I 3D printed a tool to trim for the conduit because that's only 3/4 inch thick, and the way that I printed, the way that I designed this, the blade sticks out. It's just too flexible, and so it doesn't cut straight. So my original wood one that I made actually works better than this one. So I'm gonna stick with the wood one for now. So yeah, happy to have that done. So sand some foam, and then hopefully this weekend, lamination time. Stay tuned. Alright, well, we'll see how this turns out. The vacuum table is sucking down better than it did last time, which is good. I think the problem was that I had a spot right here that was some of the OSB had pulled up with the resin or the epoxy the last time, and so I resealed that, and there was a spot at the other end too, and I think that the air was leaking through the OSB, so now that it's resealed, I think it's working a lot better. So anyway, curbside wall, lamination done. We'll see how it turns out. All right, well, as you can see, we got a little overzealous with the epoxy on this side, and we didn't wrap the plastic around enough. And right here, I'm gonna have to rip some epoxy off and possibly replace part of that bulb seal. So that's not bad though. The panel looks pretty good. It's got a few, it's a little wavy, but I don't know that there's anything I can do about that. But anyway, there it is, curbside wall. So I'll get this thing flipped over, and then I'll finally get to use my templates over there to cut the wall out. And then I got to make some templates to cut out the storage doors. I think I'm going to make them like modular. I'll make a corner piece, and then I'll make some straight pieces, and then either double side tape them down or something, and see if I can make templates that way for the storage doors and the windows too. But the windows, I think, have a different radius, corner radius, than the storage doors do. So anyway, it's back down to about 86 in here from, it was at 100 and whatever I showed in the other video, 105 or 107. So this is still just slightly on the soft side, but it's only, I mean, I think it takes several days for it to fully cure anyway. So pretty happy with how this turned out. Next thing is to actually we're going to set this one aside, and then we're going to laminate as many panels as we can. I want to make sure and get these panels laminated before the cold weather hits, and then once it starts chilling down a little bit, then I can start cutting and assembling. So anyway, thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.